Hi, in this video, I'm going to solve extended question past paper 2021 June series. So this is component 4. So let us find vector b minus it with vector a. We can just rewrite it again. B is 2 and minus 5. And we minus by a, negative 3 and 8. Minus 2 minus it by negative 3. And then negative 5 minus by 8. So we got the final answer as 5 and negative 13. B, we got scalar 2 negative 3a plus by b 2 and negative 5. So 2 times 3 is negative 6, 2 times 3 16 plus by 2 and negative 5. So negative 6 plus 2 and then 16 plus negative 5. So we got negative 4 and 11. Okay, magnitude of vector b. So this is the square root of, we got 2 square plus by negative 5 square. So this is the square root of 4 plus 25 is equal to square root of 29. You can use a calculator. You will get the answer as 5.385. Okay, a plus kb equal to 13 and m, where k and m are integers. So a, what was a? Negative 3 and a plus by constanta or k, b is 2 and negative 5. 2 and negative 5. This is equal to here 13 and m. Okay, we can calculate this scalar. So you got this negative 3a plus by 2k. Here is negative 5k equal to 13m. So this is negative 3 plus 2k equal to 13. We plus by 3 both of sides. So you got 2k equal to 16. So k we divide by 2 equal to 8. Okay, the second line we got 8 plus by negative 5k equal to m. So 8 plus by negative 5, k is 8 equal to m. So 8 minus it by 30, not 30, minus it by 40 equal to m. So m equal to negative 32. Okay, b, we got the vector. This is parallelogram. So q, here also q. Here is p. Okay, let us find OB. So O to B. So we can go from here, A, OA, and then AB, or OC and OB. Let us use both way. So first, we can use OA, and then we can make it A to B. So first, we got P plus by Q. Another way, we can use O to C plus by C to B. So we got SQ plus P. So yeah, they are both equal. So OB equal to P plus Q. Next is C to M. So first let us find it OB. OB we got it from here. As this is the midpoint. So this is a half of P plus Q. Here also a half of P plus Q. Let us find CM. So CM we get C to O or to M. Or C to B and B to M. Let's use the first way. So C to O, and then plus by O to M. Okay, C to O, as this is reverse the sign, so it's gonna be negative Q plus by, we got a half of P plus Q. So we expanded negative Q plus by a half P plus by a half Q. So CM, we got it from here, a half P And then negative here is negative 1 over 2 Q. So we got it from here, a half P minus a half Q. Next, M, N. Okay, here it is, M to N. Okay, we can get it from here, M to B, and then B to N. M to B plus by B to N. Okay, MB is the direction. So MB is a half of P plus Q and plus by BN. Okay, N is the point AB such AN and okay, and B 3, 2, 2. So this is 2 and this is 3 over 5, 2 over 5. So BN is, we got it, as we reverse the direction, it would be negative 2 over 5 of here Q. 2 over 5 of Q. Let's expand it. So this is a half P plus by a half Q minus it by 2 over 5 Q. So P, we can keep it here. Here is a half P and Q. Here is 2 over 5 of Q, Mn. So let's proceed. So a half, here also a half Q. So we got 1 over 2 minus it by 2 over 5. Can make it 10, 10 divided is 5. 2 is minus 4. This is 1 over 10. Okay, so this is 1 over 10 Q. So we got it 1 over 2 P plus by 1 over 10 Q. Okay, now is CB and ON are extended to meet at D. So they are extended. So I will use the ruler this way. They extended and then ON. So here it is the midpoint. Find the position of the vector T in terms of P and Q. So let us see the information we got from here. So CB, here is P, Q. Okay, we got O, B, C, M, and MN, but we don't know yet the ON. So ON, we can get it from OA plus by A, and OA is P, A to N is here 3 over 5, O, Q. So N is P plus 3 over 5 Q. That is the information we got. So OD, here is OD. We can get it from the constanta, however, we don't know yet. Constanta we multiplied by O to N. O to N. Okay, K equal to P plus, we got it, ON from here, P plus 3 over 5 Q. Okay, next information, let us find OD. Here this OD. We can use like a CB here, the information OC and CB. So here OD, so OD equal to OC, here O to the C, and we got CD from here is something like OD constanta, or yeah, constanta. Let's make it different letter to not get confused. M we multiplied by CB is P, so here is CB. So this is OC is Q plus by M P. the constanta. Okay, since they are equal, OD and OD, so OD equal to OD. So the first, we got the constanta P plus 3 over 5Q, and OD we got as MP plus by Q. Okay, let us measure the coefficient. So here is K with P, here is 3K over 5, Q equal to MP plus Q. Here we got as Q, so 3K 5Q equal to Q. Okay, cross, okay, equal to 5 over 3. Okay, we can substitute again into the first equation. We write it here. So we got K as 5 over 3. So OD, we get it from here. K is 5 over 3. We multiply by P plus 3 over 5 Q. This is 5 over 3 P plus by is gonna be 1 Q. So the final answer is 5 over 3 P plus by Q. Okay, number 6, the diagram show a quadrilateral ABCD made from two triangles ABD and BCD. Show that BD, okay, BD is 16.9, correct to 1 decimal place. Let us check it. So we got two sides here and one angle with opposite. The side width we don't know yet. So BD square equal to AB, which is 16 square, plus by 19 square, minus by 2, multiplied by 16, multiplied by 19, and we multiply by cos of 56 degree. So BD is the square root of 16 square plus by 19 square minus 2, we multiply by 16 and 19, plus we multiply by cos 57. Here you need a calculator, and the answer is, it is correct. This is 16.91, or we correct it to 1 decimal place is 16.9. B, calculate the angle CBD. Okay, here it is CBD. Okay, we got two sides. Here is the side. Here is opposite. Here is opposite. So first, before we find it, the CBD, we can find it the angle of DCB. Use the sine rule. So let me write it. This is angle C. It's angle B. Okay, so sin C, we divide by opposite of this 19, not 19, 16.9 equal to sin 75 degree over 32. Okay, so it is. So sin C equal to sin of 75 degree over 32 multiplied by 16.9. So here you can use a calculator and just find the sin inverse of sin 75 degree divided by 32, and we multiply by 16.9. This is equal to the angle of C. So use a calculator. Yeah, we make it inverse sin. Okay, the power negative. Sin 75 we divided by 32, then multiplied by 16.9. Okay, so we got the C is 30.7. Okay, one triangle, this is 30.7. The one triangle, the total of triangle is 160. Sorry, 180. So 180, we minus it by 75 degree and minus it by 30.7. So 180 minus 75, then we minus by 30.7. So we got as 74.3. So the angle CBD is 74.3. Okay. C. Find the area of the quadrilateral ABCD. Okay, here it is, ABCD. ABCD. Okay, the height. Okay, there is no 90 degree. So let us use here as the base. So first here, we can calculate the triangle. And then the another triangle. So this is as 16. 1/2. 16, we multiply it with the height. We can use 19. We multiply it with sin of 57 degree. So another triangle, the area is a half of base. Base we can use here as 16.9. 16.9. We multiply it with 32. And this angle that we found it. So is 74.3. Okay, we can use a calculator. 16 multiplied by 19. Then sin of 57 degree. First, we got 127.48. Then the last, we got 2 divided by 2. We multiplied by 16.9 and multiplied by sin of 74.3. Here is 260.31. So we can just add them. So 260.31 plus by 127.48. So you got as 387.79. Okay, D, find the shortest distance from B to AD. So where is B? Okay, here it is, B to AD. So we need to find this, the shortest one. Let's see, A, D here, B to AD, the shortest one. Okay, we got the angle. Here is 16. We don't know yet. And then we got sins of 57. Here it is. Here is, we will make it as the right angle. And here, okay, we can, let's make it, this is SX. Here is right angle. So we got as 16 over sin of 90 degree equal to X over sins 57. Sins 57 degree. So sins of 90 degree equal to 1. So we get it 16 equal to X over sins of 57. So X equal to 16, we multiply by sins of 57 degree. So 16 we multiply by sins of 57 degree. This is equal to 13.42 meter. There it is. Thank you.